Right, this is just a reminder, guys, when you're using the Dronelink app, it's always best, especially if you're using the Mini 3 Pro, and we're talking about waypoints mainly. Obviously, that's what we're going to be using Dronelink for mainly. So you've got your RCM1 controller, you've got your Mini 3 Pro, both on. But guys, go into your DJI Fly app first. Obviously, there's been a lot of updates. Now, you probably don't need to update your Fly app, but you need to make sure that your drone and controller are connected first before you're going into the Dronelink. You'll understand that in a moment. Anyway, so what I've done, the drone's on, the controller's on. I've gone into my DJI Fly app. It says I've got to connect it. I've been using the drone on another controller, so I have to reconnect it. So it's come straight up on the screen as the Mini 3 Pro. So we just click on that. It goes through the usual stuff of where we have to reconnect it all, which is pretty simple stuff. You just follow your instructions. I'm not going to show it to you. I've done plenty of videos on this, but you get the idea, because I get quite a few people, they go straight into their Dronelink app, and if for some reason it's one, it's not connecting, or two, it's frozen or something. So just go through the procedure. So got to pair it. Okay, so just press the button for 4 seconds on the drone. As soon as you hear that click, and you just wait. Okay, you hear that double click. So it's gone straight into the DJI Fly app. Okay, and another thing, we've got to make sure you bound it. Change the bound device. So we just do that as well. Internet connection. So that's my own fault. So I'm just going to make sure I'm connected to the internet. That's the problem. When you're using so many different devices, be it phones or tablets, some automatically go straight into Wi-Fi and some don't. So anyway, that's that sorted. Okay, do it again. Okay, so that's been sorted. So I'm just going to check my settings a moment, just to make sure. So I've got, at the moment, I've got the app version of 1.13.2. Now at the moment, the latest app update, I should say, is the 1.13.5. But I'm quite happy with that. Because my RC firmware is the same as with the latest one. So yeah, I'm just going to come straight out of that for the moment. So what we do now is we shut this down. We then go into the Dronelink app. Alright. So this time, I'm going to put up the screen record for you this time, guys. Okay, so first of all, we turn on the drone. No, sorry, what I'm going to do, so I don't want to mess it up, is go straight into the Dronelink DJI app. Now, this is another question I had the other day. They've gone into their Dronelink thinking they could use their Mini 3 Pro. Guys, you've got to make sure, when you're using Dronelink, they have a separate app to use the Mini 3 Pro, and that is the Dronelink DJI. Right, if you don't have that app, it won't work. If you go onto the Dronelink site, I've done a video on that as well, you just download it. So I'm going to go into the Dronelink app first. Okay. Now it's saying that there's another update. You click on Dronelink download. What it would do, it'd take you into, as you can see here, the downloading. So you've got to select your drone, which is the Mini 3 Pro. I think what is not really, you got a little download button there, but it's not very clear, I don't think. No, it's the RCM one, so this is what we're doing. Right, open with package installer, okay. So hopefully in the background that's downloading now. What it's doing now, it's actually installing, I don't know if you can see that really well, but it's installing the app. It can take about 5 to 10, depending on what the update is. Now, ever since I've been using this Dronelink DJI app. It's got to be the third time. They've obviously had a few problems with it. Now I noticed literally still haven't brought out their version yet. So it's good to see that Dronelink are on top of this. Obviously they've had a few problems, and no doubt it's all to do with all the updates that DJI been having as well. Okay, so it's done. Hopefully you can see that the drone is reconnected. It's got the latest app update, so there's been another update. So guys, this is it. This is the thing you got to do before you go out, and then get outside and find out, one, the drone won't connect, or two, as some people have been saying, that it's been freezing. It's because there's been another update with the Dronelink app. So guys, hopefully that's been helpful. There'll be another video coming very soon with the Dronelink, and I'll be doing waypoints when we're outside on location. I've done one where we've been behind the screen, but the next video on Dronelink will be us being outside on location and going through the waypoints that way. So as always, there'll be another video coming very soon.